In this episode, we'll learn how to import products in bulk. This feature is extremely useful for saving time, especially when working with hundreds of products. For example, if you want to migrate your entire operation from another platform to Edgetrack, you can do it in seconds without complications. On the Items screen next to the Add Item button, you'll find the Import Items option. Click on it. The process is simple and consists of 3 steps. First, click the blue Download CSV template button. This will give you a file where you can add all your products. Open the file in Excel or any CSV editor, remove the sample data, and replace it with your own products. Once your file is ready, simply drag and drop it into the Upload box, or click on Upload a File to select it from your computer. If there are no errors in your file, in Step 2 you'll be able to select the warehouse and category where your products will be assigned. You'll also see an optional Upsert setting, which allows you to update existing products if a match is found by SKU or UPC. Below that, in the CSV Preview section, you'll see a preview of the products that will be imported. In Step 3, you'll review the column mapping, where each column from your file is matched to the corresponding Edgetrack field. You can skip any fields you don't want to import. Once everything looks correct, click the Import Items button. A progress bar will appear, and once the process is complete, your products will be available in your product table. In the next episodes, we'll walk through creating a sale order step by step. Thanks for watching.